And I remember when our good friend Dave Heinzen was recently on the Trader of the Month and doing an update. And I remember specifically, and I had to actually go back and relook at this to make sure it was really the case, but it was a kind of a fun thing. I noticed he had a first picture of him sitting in his office with his three kids sitting like on the desk, on the keyboard, in his lap, trying to trade with his three kids. And I just thought it was kind of interesting that, he put that up there because, this is his, when he's home, that's his trading life. And I looked at it saying, wow, when my kids were probably at the ages of or 16, 21, and 23 when I started trading. And now, the difference is that when I'm trading, I'm doing team viewers and on the phone with my kids who are now full-time traders. So who knows what Dave's kids may do someday. Maybe they'll be all pilots like him. But I just thought it was this interesting thing of, different stages of life. My youngest one, my son John, I mean, he was introduced to options when barely was just out of high school. And, and he's been trading for 7 years now, and he's only 26. So
that's great.